Good day, everyone. This is Alwilan Belio, a PhD P6 education student from UP Open University. Today, it is my pleasure to share to you my dissertation paper entitled Structural Model of Grit, Expectancy Value, and 21st Century Skills on the P6 achievement of college freshman students in high-plex universities and its implications on tertiary STEM education. For the background of the study, we see into the basic education exit assessment, which was done in 2018-2019. And from this assessment, we found out that the overall score, or mean percentage score for the social sciences, science, mathematics, and language and communication subjects are only 36.45%, while the 20th century skills of the students only have an overall of 36.3%, which covers problem solving, information literacy, and critical thinking. Furthermore, the key issues when we go into college is the post-senior high school employability versus pursuing a college degree. Also, we have high anxiety levels, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. We also have track non-alignment in college and the implementation of hybrid flexible or high-flex learning. So the questions here are, with the low starting point as students enter college level, how can it affect their performance in STEM courses? And also, can there be other learning outcomes that can be fostered among freshman students to neutralize such disadvantages? So the research questions are as follows. The first research question is, what is the P6 achievement of STEM college freshman students? And then what is the grit of STEM college freshman students in terms of perseverance of effort, consistency of effort, and ambition? Third question is, what is the expectancy value of STEM college freshman students in terms of attainment value, intrinsic value, utility value, relative cost, and expectations for success? The fourth question is, what are the 21st century skills of STEM college freshman students in terms of information literacy, inventive thinking, effective communication, high productivity, and leadership? The fifth question is, what is the relationship between P6 achievement, grit, expectancy value, and 21st century skills of STEM college freshman students? And the last question is, which among the grit, expectancy value, and 21st century skills and their sub-variables predict the P6 achievement of STEM college freshman students? Here we have our conceptual framework, wherein grit, expectancy value, and 21st century skills are expected to predict the P6 achievement of our STEM college freshman students. Also, we employ the explanatory sequential design as our research design, wherein we use structural equation modeling among the variables to predict the dependent variable, while we also use focus group discussion in interviewing our key informants. And from the design, we are able to see the implications on the tertiary STEM education, such as, for example, the revitalization of career guidance and counseling programs. Here we have the research locale. The study was conducted in Region 10, which is Northern Mindanao, located in the southern Philippines. And we have 5 participating schools chosen in the to participate in the research. All of these schools are located in the region. We have 4 instruments used in the entire study. We have the physics achievement test, uh, the GRIT questionnaire, uh, the VESAS, expectancy value STEM assessment scale, and the 21st century skills questionnaire. For the results, we found out that uh, our participating STEM freshman students exhibited very low mastery as well as no mastery across the topics of the physics achievement scale. While their grit is considered to be high and their expectancy value is also consistently high, and their 20th century skills are moderate. Now here we have the best fit model of the study, wherein we can see 21st century skills and expectation value to predict the physics achievement of the participating students. Now, we can see that grit is not a latent variable that explains physics achievement. Although students had high grit, it did not translate to high physics achievement. Students had very low mastery at the onset, but which implies the negative impact of poor senior high school achievement. The expectancy value has the most significant components of expectancy value are intrinsic value and utility value. Expectancy value significantly influences physics achievement, by which freshman STEM students who are intrinsically motivated are more likely to have higher achievement in physics, and students who see greater use for the course are more likely to have higher achievement in physics. Therefore, the programs intended for freshman STEM students that promote motivation and appreciation for STEM can be developed to potentially improve their performance in physics courses. So most significant components of 21st century skills are the effective communication and leadership. 21st century skills do not significantly influence physics achievement, but is strongly linked to the expectancy value. The effects of 21st century skills on physics achievement is mediated by expectancy value. Therefore, further supports the value of programs on motivation and appreciation for STEM. Poor conceptual understanding of the foundational concepts such as force and acceleration pulls down the physics achievement of freshman STEM students. This can be a far-reaching effect of poor senior high school achievement or poor foundational concept mastery that crosses over college or tertiary. Thus, strengthen the teaching of problematic foundational topics such as force and acceleration. And these are critical foundational concepts for engineering and sciences. In conclusion, the low physics achievement scores obtained indicates lack of proficiency in conceptual understanding of the subject matter. The high level of grit among the participants of the study indicated their sense of perseverance despite the challenges and new learning modalities during the pandemic. The high level of expectancy value among the participants of the study reflected their determination to do their best and achieve success in their studies. The moderate level of 21st century skills among the participants of the study reflected their actual life skill set that are crucial to their success in life, especially effective communication and leadership. Expectancy value significantly influences physics achievement of freshman STEM students. And lastly, 21st century skills do not have direct influence on physics achievement, but its effect is mediated by expectancy value. These are the literature cited. Our gratitude to the UPOU Faculty of Education, as well as the DOST CBP SME Scholarship Program. Thank you very much for your time.